Today I explain germination. I took transparent jar. I put cotton balls inside. I placed the lentils. I put a bit of water to keep cotton balls
How?
moist.
And what this means moist?
Wet.
Okay. Then what's happened?
2 days after, I saw white stems grow. Oh, I forgot.
What you forgot? Tell me.
I forgot. I placed the jar on the shelf
Okay. In a dark place or bright place?
in a place bright
Why?
because the seed want sunlight to grow.
Okay. Sammy, you need the sun too,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Then?
Then on the third day, I saw tiny leaves.
Then what do we decide to do?
While stems leaves grow up, down are grow roots.
Are growing the roots. Okay.
On
And
the
then?
7 days, we will plant it out in the garden.
Okay. Then?
Then
Tell me.
the process
Process.
Oh,
The process.
the process of the
Growth of a seed
of a seed
into what? Into
a
a mushroom.
plant.
Into a plant.
is called germination.
Okay, only one question that is not inside in the... sorry. What do we have inside the seed? A tiny...
A tiny
embryo.
embryo.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Can you show your jar with Emma jar?
Oh, this one.
This one. This is the third time because the other grows so fast. It's so hot here, right? Oh, thank you, Emma. Show me. Oh, wow.
Fish.
Non è fish, it's a plant. Put it back.
Bye bye.